A little bit of morning wake up. Coffee, not coffee. Hit it with that. Oh, hit it with that. Oh. Alright, new day, new year, new camera, new vlog. So today I'm working on this Florpus. Yeah, that's right, I said Florpus. So, for any of you guys that don't know, this is a 2015 Orion Reaper. This is a 3-cylinder, naturally aspirated, 4-wheel drive with front and rear locking differentials. This originally came to me with a starting issue. I am long past that starting issue. I have taken the starter off, tested the starter was great. Come to find out the battery voltage was too short. So he went and got a battery with higher cold cranking amps, and now we're still having a problem where the only way it'll start is a second lead wire to the starter. So I guess he needs a bigger gauge starter wire. But I digress. Alright, so a little while into this, you can see my hat's come off a couple times. Hair's a little funky tucked and whatever. Coming and everything sucked. But I got the wire done pretty beautifully, I might say so myself. You can see this black wire here. It's tucked around the intake. Down to the starter down there. Tucked up through the injector harness. Through that zip tie, down through all the wire connections. Got it up over the frame here and then tucked down in here. Gonna upgrade to an oversized battery because we're gonna cut that clip out. But anyway, as you can see, he's upgraded to an oversized battery because the battery from the is $250 for their battery that fits in that box that has the correct amperage. So we just took the rubber boot out and then tightened the crap out of it. I mean, see, it's got a little bit of overhang down there, but not going nowhere. So I mean, you win some, you lose some. So I know the sun glare is probably killing us right now, but one of the things that I forgot to mention in that last clip, that this bar here has to come off to take the battery off. I'm actually currently installing it upside down. Great, that's got to come back off. But also the air box, this tube, and then that cover that goes over that bar has to come off to get the battery out. I don't know who designed this, but they need shot. Well, we'll face into the sun for the moment, but several hours later, a shirt changed later. Speaking of which, wife loves me. Amazing shirt. It was an anniversary shirt. But anyway, several hours later, it moved. However, chaos. So when it first got brought to me, the radio didn't work right. I fixed the radio. I went to go wire in the amp, and now the radio's not turning on. So yeah, it's all taken apart so I could tuck and hide wires, but now I need to figure out why in the frick it's not working. Great. This thing really has been the biggest pain in my rear that I've ever worked on. So with that, I'll see you in the next clip.
Alright, so I'm coming to you like weeks later at this point. Job was done. I got the amp working, got the speakers working, got it running all great. However, now it has new issues, and I may have to take this vehicle back into my possession as of soon. Don't know, haven't had a chance to go look at it yet. All I know is that it is stuck in reverse, and apparently the speakers were working, and then they were cutting out. Don't think I had any mess ups anywhere, but I could be very, very wrong. Not sure what else to say about that. Like, it's just one of those things that you kind of deal with. And, so anyway, I have content. I have quite a bit of content that I have to sift through and decide what I'm going to use and what I'm not going to use. Because some of it is relatively old and at this point probably not relevant. I know I've taunted and teased you guys a little bit about the Build Theory series. And I hit a really, really huge rock wall with that series. You know, I can't do it. Messy hair, no care. A little while back, I was keeping all of my information for that series in one of those little pocket notebooks, and I lost it. And there were several weeks, actually I think there were months of research in that notebook that was just all lost. Prices, part numbers, I mean, like the whole shebang. And it was really demotivating, to be completely honest, to have like that much work and that much effort just lost. I really didn't know how to deal with that. But I have started on that project again from scratch. I've made a pretty good little dent in what the first episode of that series is going to be. I really think some of you guys, whether you're a subscriber or one of the guys that have just occasionally checked in on my content, are going to be super stoked about. It does use a JDM engine, and that's the only hint I'm giving. So, you guys really can look forward to that. I hope to have that video ready to film by the end of the month, or by the end of February. This is going up the 2nd day of February, 3rd day of February, something like that. So anyway, I'm super excited on it. Now that I've gotten back into it and I've picked up some motivation for it again. So glad to be back in 2020 making content again, or 2021. I'm starting to actually make content again. I got super focused on TikTok. If you guys don't follow me on TikTok, Hardline GTR on TikTok. Shameless plug, Hardline GTR on Twitch. Shameless plug, Hardline GTR on Instagram. Now, one of the difference between me and the bigger content creators is I talk back with you guys. So, if you have something to say, leave it in the comment section. If you want to say something that you don't want in the comment section, head over to my Instagram, DM me. Head over to my TikTok, DM me. You know, I love the interaction that these networks bring. Everything from as far as education to inside jokes. Like, being a content creator has a ton of pluses that I just really enjoy. So that's going to be it for this video. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you guys want to subscribe for more, subscribe for more. I actually have another video going up probably tomorrow. It is also unfinished. That was the reason I filmed this, was because this video was unfinished. I just stopped picking up the camera at some point. So, with that, I will see you guys later. Peace.